Kiuria kana amemba kamiti ya ugitiri ni mari na itemi manyitire hari kugeria gutindikiriria muikariri gitwa IEBC Wafula Chebukati. Guthoga moimirira ma giturwa kia upresident ni umwe wa maria matanyitwo kuheo uritu munene igoti-ini ritugiru. Riria ciira wa kuregana na moimirira ma upresident gukuruhanio githikiririo. Akiheana macokio make, kamishina wa IEBC Professor Abdigulie ni ugire ati amemba aria ni Joseph Kenyua, Kennedy Kehara, Kennedy Ogeto, Hilary Mutiambai na Francis Ogola ni mekinyirie Bomas na makigea na mucemanio na Chebukati na ati ni mathanire Raila Odinga wa Azimio anirirwo rita muhotani kana kwanirirwo githurano kia Joko. No kugerera macokio mao igoti-ini umuthi, amemba aya maugite ati gwikinyia kwa mwena wa Bomas wataurirwo na njira iria itagireire na ati itua ria guthie Bomas riumanire na gucerithirio kwanirirwo kwa muimirira. Hamwe na uguo moigite ati ni mari na ciuria nyingi ciĩgiĩ uria muimirira marekagĩrĩrio na gĩtũmi gĩa gũtiga kuonania muimirira macio kuri muingi ni gwacũngĩrĩirie wagagu gatagati ka muingi na kwari na ũhotekeku wa gũtuthũka kwa ngũĩ. Nake agent munene wa kiama kia UDA Josephat Nanok ni aikirie ihoya igoti-ini akienda macokio ma kamishinana aria mararegana na moimirira ma kura cia upresident matikahuthirwo igoti-ini. Nanok akiuga ati anaya aria ni Juliana Cherera, Irene Masiti, Justus Nyang'aya na Francis Waderi ni athiriti ya Raila Odinga. Nanok augite ati kuringana na gĩcunjĩ kia 140 gĩa gatiba, anaya ni monanitie gukorwo magikuruhana na mwena ũmwe na uguo macokio mao matibatie ni kuheo kanya. Hamwe na uguo muhi wa coro John Githongo ni aikirie ihoya ria ati uira uria aneanire igoti-ini riri kiumia githiru ni wari na mahitia. Uira-ini ucio Githongo ageretie kuonania uria mitambo ya IEBC yathogirwo, no riu Githongo ni agarurite mbao akiuga ati kiria ari nakio ni muhiano tu uria onetio wa uria mitambo ya IEBC igithogwo. Ona kuhana uguo Githongo ni ahinyiriirie ati fomu cia 34A ni ciathogirwo. Mahoya matanyitwo 20 ni maikirio igoti-ini ni andu na ikundi citiganite, othe makienda gukuruhanio ciira-ini uyu, na gikundi kia andu aria mari wathe ni kimwe kia aria marorota IEBC ni undu wa kwaga guthondeka ceceni cia uikia wa kura na njira ingimahotithia guikia kura.
Of October 2021, a letter was written to the chairperson of the IEBC requesting that facilities should be put in place to ensure first there is the people with disability are allowed to register themselves as voters so that they can participate in the general election that was scheduled on the 9th day of August 2022. Now, on the 9th day of August 2022, our client informs us that most of their members firstly were locked out of the very important exercise of voting in their president and their county representatives. So this is the reason why we have come to court.
Asilimia ya mtu anayeshinda kura ni 50+1. Je, hawa watu 1800 wako nje hawangebadilisha uongozi wa William Ruto ama uongozi wa Raila Odinga?
Ngwataniro ya LSK ya hornirie ria upresident aria ni Professor George Wajakoya na David Mwaure ni age aria marenda igoti rimetekerie makorwo magikuruhanio ciira-ini uyu.
By Saturday, last Saturday 27th of August, all the respondents had put in their responses, and as at yesterday evening we had the petitioners again file all their rejoinders.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.